Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share this look which is affordable and for teenagers and college going girls. All the products that I'm using to create this look are under 150 rupees. So to begin with this look, I have already applied a moisturizer to my skin. Also, all the products that I'm using to create this look are from NY Bae. So the first product is Foundation Concealer Contour Color Corrector Stick Golden and my shade is number 3. These sticks comes in 15 different shades. It can be used as foundation, concealer or color corrector. I'm using this stick to make my face even as I do have some dark spots on my face. It is a great and affordable option for college going girls. With the help of a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it really well. Just spray some water on the beauty blender before blending it so that it gives a smooth and nice finish. Do not forget to apply on your neck. This may look uneven if you do so. If you are a beginner, you can also use your hands to blend this. If I was getting ready off camera, I would have always preferred to use my hands to blend this because hands are the best weapons to use for your makeup. To set my foundation, I'm using this compact powder with SPF 40 and my shade is Victoria's Beige Look 3. All the product links will be provided in the description box below, so do check it. So the next product are for my eyes. I have two kajal pencils. One is in the pencil form. So the kohl I'm using is black, the big apple of my eye. So this kohl is long lasting, non-irritating, single stroke application, transfer resistant, smudge proof and also water resistant. This is the best kohl I have ever used for such affordable price. The next thing I'm going to use is this eyeliner. It is Matte Eagle Eyes Black. As this makeup look is for teenagers and college going girls, so I'm not going to create a dramatic wink. To finish off this look, I'm using this lip crayon, shade number 20. I also do have some of the shades from the same range. This is a beautiful peachy pink color. So I'm going to apply this and show you how it looks. Same shade I'm going to use as a blush. I'm going to blend it out with the help of my fingertips. This is the look that I have created using these affordable products. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.